Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. While it's easy to overthink and get lost in all the different tool options, we're here to help you find the best out there for you. Me and my team have reviewed dozens of 3-ton floor jacks. Don't worry, all the links for the products we mention are in the description below. A good floor jack for an automotive project or otherwise is one of those tools you don't always pay attention to when it's doing a good job. A quality item should roll quietly around a flat workshop floor and remain stable in elevated positions with the base moving to compensate for the angle of the lift. Whilst all jack lifting operations should be supported by appropriate jack stands, quality hydraulic components and construction are vital to avoid dropping or collapse. We ranked 3-ton floor jacks on a number of different factors including number of features, manufacturer reputation and what reviews said about the product. We suggest you stick around to the end to see who wins the number 1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools coming out. Remember, you can find the list of products in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through this video. The 3-ton floor jack coming in at number 5 on our list is the Pittsburgh Automotive 3-ton heavy-duty extra-low profile steel floor jack with rapid pump quick lift. This Pittsburgh Automotive jack features heavy-duty welded construction, industrial quality for professionals and car enthusiasts, and a good design, very well built. This heavy-duty floor jack lifts vehicles to a maximum of 19 3/4 inches, but fully collapsed it's just over 2 3/4 inches thick, so it can be used on cars that ride low to the ground. This product features a dual piston rapid pump design. This exclusive system lifts with far fewer pumps at just 3.5 to full height, a full height high enough to allow for a range of complex repairs. This Pittsburgh Automotive jack features extra wide steel casters for stability with a full base measurement of 12 inches. This stable base helps to avoid tipping. This jack has a universal joint release and provides precise load control in any handle position. The saddle measures just over 4 inches. As a heavy duty jack it comes in as a hefty 79 pounds, but it is easy to roll around and super tough. The steel construction and precise welding are hardly noticeable under the red paint. The 3-ton floor jack coming in at number 4 on our list is the ProLift G737 Grey Speedy Lift Garage Jack. This jack features a capacity of 3.5 tons with a lift range of 5.5 to 22 inches. This allows it to lift a wide range of vehicles from cars, vans and SUVs. The foam handle provides comfort to the user whilst pumping, and the speedy lift function allows this to happen in 1 or 2 strokes, ready for a lifetime of reliable lifting performance. A neat feature of this jack is the magnetic tool tray for keeping small parts. This will keep them around the job site for added convenience. It also features 2 swivel casters to make it easy to position the jack. The rubber saddle buffer protects the vehicle whilst lifting, and the rolled side frame adds strength and reduces twisting. The universal joint release mechanism gives precise control of load descent. This jack is very efficient and high performing and heavy duty. This jack comes with 90 days warranty from the date of purchase. This design combines power and speed and is great for repair professionals or amateurs. The 3-ton floor jack coming in at number 3 on our list is the Blackhawk B6350 Black Red Fast Lift Service Jack. The B6350 is great for working in the garage on cars, SUVs or light trucks. The design is a premium quality heavy duty steel construction which is safe for use in the long term as it's so durable. The dimensions, not including the handle, are 28.5 inches long by 13 3/4 wide by 6.5 inches high. The built-in internal safety valve and vent plug ensure safe operation, whilst the handle at 50 inches long gives effortless leverage pump action. The rear caster wheels are good for positioning and movement, while the wide front wheels provide increased stability. This jack features a universal joint for precise load control. The Blackhawk features a unique fast lift technology design, which allows it to lift quickly or reduce the lifting rate if it senses pressure. The lifting range is 5.5 to 22 inches. The swivel saddle diameter is 4 inches, providing quick and easy positioning of the jack and protecting the underside of the car, also allowing for better grip. The Blackhawk B6350 Fast Lift comes with a full 1-year warranty, a lifting capacity of up to 3.5 tons, and a timely reminder that all jacks are only to lift your car, not to support it. Use proper jack stands. A reminder as we go on to the top 2 that all links are in the description box below this video. The 3-ton floor jack coming in at number 2 on our list is Arcan's 3-ton quick rise aluminium floor jack with dual pump pistons and reinforced lifting arm. The ALJ 3T is a clever design made from lightweight aluminium. This is an aircraft grade material which is strong and easy to move. The jack is useful to a wide range of users from professional to weekend DIYers, and its lightweight at 58 pounds makes it portable and versatile. The side-mounted body handle allows for convenient positioning of the jack under a car, and the 2-piece pump handle makes it easy to transport or store when not in use. The aluminium design is built for strength and safety. The reinforced lift arm increases strength, chassis torsion control and durability. This is quite a low profile jack with a working range of 3 3/4 inches to 18 inches. The ALJ 3T has a high lifting capacity due to dual pump pistons, which quickly raise the jack saddle from the floor to the load, and the bypass and overload valves prevent overextension of the hydraulic ram and jack use beyond the rated capacity. The design offers vehicle protection with a rubber saddle and foam handle bumper. The contoured saddle has locating lugs which help support and position the vehicle frame, and the large soft pad of material is there for avoiding scratches and damage. The design is available in a variety of colours. It features a superior quality build and a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. And finally, we come to the number 1 3-ton floor jack on our list, the big red T83006 Torin hydraulic trolley service floor jack with extra saddle. The Big Red is made from heavy-duty, high-quality steel, giving long-term durability. It can be used to lift most cars, trucks, vans and SUVs. This jack features a 5 7/8 inch minimum lift height, with a maximum height of 20 7/8. The design includes a single piston quick lift pump, which means the jack easily rises to the required height, and a safety bypass system which stops overloading and it provides greater safety. The T83006 has a built-in carrying handle, which means it can be lifted and moved quickly, with one of the shorter handle lengths on our list of 24.5 inches. These are great features and reasonably priced. The jack is easy to assemble and use, and equipped with 2 large steel casters as well as 2 360-degree swivel casters for smooth manoeuvrability. A key feature of this jack is the extended saddle neck, which means time is saved when lifting higher vehicles. This easily clicks into place and rubber-tipped tongues prevent damage to the vehicle. This big red jack is designed to move easily, comes with a 1-year warranty and meets ASME safety standards. That's it. That's the 5 3-ton floor jacks which got our team at Hundreds of Tools excited. If you like this video, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into the overwhelming world of tools. Which floor jack are you currently using? What is your opinion of it? Or what helpful tips do you have for other members of the community? Do drop it in the comment section below. We look forward to seeing you and your projects again soon. Good luck.